In today's video, we will look at how to repair a Windows installation, a solution for when a built-in Windows function stops working. Start on the software download page for your version of Windows, and download the ISO image to your computer. When selecting a language, make sure you select the same language that your computer uses as its primary language. After starting the download, feel free to use your computer for something else while you wait for the download to complete. As it is a large file, it may take some time depending on your internet speed. Once downloaded, mount the ISO file, or open it in File Explorer. When it appears, select Open on the security prompt, and double-click the exe file to run it. The Windows installer will then check your computer and set up the repair process. When prompted, you will need to accept the Windows terms and conditions. You will get the option to choose which files are kept and which are deleted. We recommend that you keep all your files in configuration, so the repair tool will only replace core system files. After choosing what you want to keep, Windows may restart multiple times, and it will take some time to complete the repair. If running the repair tool did not fix your issue, you may want to contact Microsoft support before trying anything else. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe.